Dokunu first no turn 2 cedi. After there 7 cedi and 5 cedi. Oh ye pesa. Ye pesa ene kura po ye votu. Akofo ado ye betu no te say baye.
Sir.
Wallahi.
Who betu ne say?
Baye.
Hey.
You know baye?
Yes.
Ye gami yele. Oba fanle ke Bawumia.
Oh, yen change everybody. NPP, NDC, Yangala Tobiala.
Me grow wa jam aware.
Sir.
Because of minister me de be man oko.
Sir.
Inti me bre pa. Koko kura me tumento. Brodo kura me tumento. Sisi adokru ba ko 5 cedi.
Oba kwa enim. Sir, number 1.
Oh, number 8.
Number 8.
Yeah.
I don't think NPP should continue. Because things are not going well. Look at the economy right now. Inflation is so high right now. And then people are suffering. He's doing nothing about it. When people complained about it, he was like, it's he their father to do something about it. Why would you say that to citizens? You're not supposed to say that.
Was already a bit PMO or Blakuma South constituency. Not just say, I can't turn a brony or Kotua, Barney, the Imam Penny, and I feel to my shibby for a hoodoo brina. Not just see a bedje or mount for a gentre at the coming election 2024. Not just say, almost so imagine check Accra or more Edemayan, no, not almost the Amayan. At the party, we soon any tap send, and I saw ya saying, and a day a year I've been training now at the bro. Most of for Abna Ousua Amufadi coming way. Nianje or man for Agentre and fanfa election 2024 year. Yet someone I say you're quiet.
Oh, say some.
I didn't hear.
Officer, I didn't hear. Oh, Yama Bibri.
Then it's
a memo about Coupe. Sisia, condition of living, no, very, very high within the shortest possible time. Oh, and to say, see, to us, and the next year, and I said the next 2 years, no, and the Yaman dear young to me. Oh, because Yahoo NPP da. Yahoo NPP da. That's President Kufuor NPP. Yahoo Akufo-Addo NPP, right? Met me say me for NDC crown background. Met me judge two MPPs no. Oh, this MPP no. I mean it's too much. It's too much. Oh, taxation na nyama no too much. At least we dey obey taxi, but low and kakra. Oh, low and kakra.
Okay. 2 hours. She say 7 December after say you bet 72 hours. You know, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
What body no? And one no. Na me say obe win. Wa win po dada. Okay. Ah, mami. Only wa win po dada. Mema among for dada. Oh, baby I konanye dada. You ana baby I do nanye dada. How can say car even duty how do be clear car po. Oh, ni bo building sa na yesi asizi car no na ya bonu auction. Tio, yesi e bia obetia 13,000. 13,000 as duty. Na ya bonu auction e bia 3,000 or 4,000. Sa 3,000 4,000 ye dey call him. Adentina money pa no options not on to me but 13,000 no be crap on what do you call it yeah and I say month and I say we the chichemano so to me to cash na nya sasika no 13,000 no na fire then na for 2 coffers no but ubet na bo car no washing 3,000 4,000 5,000 the rest of huge amount na that's na what no and can you buy a coffee small here? Because of Nukran to government failure.
Yes, sir.
And Nupa failure.
That impact, yes, someone I acquire.
Oh, that yes, some.
I didn't hear.
Oh, Charlie, a mamma had Dimpa. Doctor, first on your tongue 2 cedi. After there 7 cedi and 5 cedi. Oh, ye pesa. Ye pesa and their crap we have votu. Akofo-Addo ye bet to say by ye. Sir, wallahi.
Who bet to say?
By ye.
Hey.
You know by ye?
Yes.
Ye gami yele. Oba fanle ke Bawumia.
I didn't hear.
Oh, moi c'est comme dodo. On aime the way you turn down. You know what to say. onim kan ya bowo krom akufado kan ya bowo onim you don't know that oba oba bebe tua that scam like huge money no mo dia si onu yempe uba bebe tua mi wo badada mi ba bebe tua that money unya kunwa uba bebe tua too much
into free education no
don't talk about that free education. It's not free education.
It's what
wait me back to school only my amount of money na me to almost 3,000 and sana akwara no school as free education me to me to school fees my maybe say wasem omo na dey buy no tie omo no yes am school for no won say fine omo na say who NPP for no say no mo akosesan mo ya no new packaging na mo di ma enkwara na omo di bo mo kun open no yes anu e ba no on di bio obe manu aduani fine no the because school dey bia me also free education. I don't like free education. Me 3,000 and sana me back to school. Me bread and hey I'm telling you.
Na John Draman mama other ballot sheet in is saying.
The oko vote wa vote dada. For man number 8. Wow. Wa hanu ye wo chanche. Wa onu number 3. O wo infant.
So and they make a show
there be any party o me see uti infant.
Oh me La Paz.
La Paz, Abakan La Paz, okay. Vote for NDC, why? Me pay NPP. First in me were NPP, I feel them about NDC. I don't like them. Papa we no tran on why NPP ni. Okay. Me dey nyina why NPP, she me dey ma free or no dey osi o no a. Won say o komponu anu na mponu or fawa, u prepare. Omo no mo je Bawumia. Or pray or be wu. You go die. That be any say or be wu. One crime more. On say me and cranny me fanti ni wa ma me ye broken fanti ona but na me ochina no aye photo ochina NPP no ombe wood hey
Saturday
kai me say me pese ochina no aye ye
nti wa reshe mu say he
o ye nko round 2 o
sir
first run
okay
hey what you make you so
Basho afia batwe yes sesemu na ye koyenim adentia
say obiara nim say ti say na krom no say obiara ka say krom no edi na say edi ye ka no say enye Ghana happy
baby ya
enti to me we say entwaso no na be ma omane atumpon oh say just you see ye change tembia e be gina fa ko enti to me we say yes system ye twaso
okay into did say free education na MPP for the buy na be boy
boy papa
who benefited from it
oh me na me ni ba oko me ba no mo awi dada o twem dada
nti MPP for buy no business bibia akoso boko
so wow nim say covid no nti man niam nyina ya tawi nti enye say niam bibia akoso boko mo nanso say ye to mo so e be ma omana tumpon ye sisa na ye di obi foforo ba e be ma omano akọ akiri back
okay ba Mahama so ba o be reset you o be bibia foforo
enye reset ya so na ya kanu
okay
ye pempuntu okay mama oba no niam bebre o kanu oba no na dollar no na e baby e na no so o we jai oba fi suru na o de akọ baby
okay
o ho de be jere no enti we nsu oba na e wo be e na ahuchiri wa unim ahuchiri e ba enti ama niam asesa enti
ye twaso
oh yen change everybody NPP NDC yangalato biala na ye for neutral person neutral person the one with the sense of yes if it's a cheddar
nti wo beto abama no
oh it's so quite unfortunate my vote is not here
okay
nse nka me vote wo hanom kwan de nka meto ma ba me vote ni a yen vote em na de me ka wo mbrem lo fe obem lo fe de me kwa koto ama no yes say NPP ni NDC we are sick and tired of them madam eno ano no
achemun system
adentia and free education one benefit from it ana
I benefited, but still,
why?
I don't think NPP should continue. Because things are not going well. Look at the economy right now. Inflation is so high right now. And then people are suffering. He's doing nothing about it. When people complained about it, he was like, it's he their father to do something about it. Why would you say that to citizens? You're not supposed to say that. You're supposed to be helping us. We voted for you. We put you in power. So you're supposed to do as we want. Although you won't do everything because not all is right. But then at least you should listen to our plea.
Like me want to say no because of NPP by me you want say oh you want to say sister then so we try to na say na onu so lejuma boy it's not possible
create
me this pass oba if say time no no so no there bibi akosoma me
me da surprise
first na me your friend me Marty Emmanuel I work in medical school but enkoye kra first na ekoye but sisi ade enkoye kra de minimum money na ye bedi kra edi me dey kra wa ja me aware because of minister me dey be man oko iti me bre pa koko kra me tumento brodo kra me tumento sisi adokru ba ko 5 cedi first no dokru 3 cedi sisi a 5 cedi me tumento me bre o me nati anyina de medical me nibi ba me see eyezu eyeza lenu ebaba it is not possible it is possible for no de omu ko manim ne emfa NDC for no mbra no mu be ya de pa maye na sisi akra me ye adwuma me sa akra mba me ye adwuma 6 months ne entwe ameka de na me godi obi adwane ajame me bakra ho me kra no obo me nichi me ye ne den nti dwoma ma ye pese ombra back no be boaye
acho yes semu ana say ye koye ni
yes sem
adentia
because omanima ye den bibia ye den enye say e ka kire wo osusu timu bi when we said the echo when we said the aye den afa ye sesia no ene oto ade 1 cedi etena be ko na ye 1 cedi 50%. Inflation is too much. We must say yes, inflation so about 22 point something. But at the rate at which prices go high, all the total inflation now more can one say a fake inflation figures no more than and real inflation figures because as to what they are saying is inflation that is from somewhere 56% to 22%. Then we should see the rate of increment and also rapidly, but as it is now and overcono yatoso etina bekono yatoso do say the expectations say ebia yebetoso be this percentage is not up to it, but then still now to say yatoso kra ska odi ko kruma say odi koto ade no obo say there be kra anso kra na afi say wo beto 5 so to 4 now be managing this but in Mahama's time yenya bibi say inflation go higher to the extent that this time around people are hoarding things almost hoarding money so that they can increase the price by them. Who is the cause of this thing? It's all about inflation. And secondly, so your exchange rate may too high. The dollar CD anyone say arrested dollar now $1 in am here dollar na ya hwehwe ne kura ye hu no wa both kura into say we are all going for Mahama. Mahama. John Mahama is going to win this election, and nobody there tries any foolish thing by manipulating. When they're there, I will not add the rest.
Yeah, to us. Oh, because say to us. Na minimiti America say to us. Obi o say amemo ne nkoyi na do beba na won ebe koyi. Yenim na na ye ko, yensan ye chibi. Dey me to us.
Musha NPP for policy omudi gu akwem dey pa na to wa koma so.
Oh. Aye nkrofo akwan. Aye school. Me tama na free ne maye no. Na me metua school fees. Me mami ansa no mo awie. Ansa na ye na e ba say or the free education eba. Ampa o de ba no aboa binum me sa me ba nkobia me nuaba de wakobi madamfo bi ba akobi nti aboa ye nyina sa me ka se wanye bia na me boa waye bia ma no di onipa be ya na waye no na ma wa na Bawumia na eko
ye to aso
adenti ne ye to aso
say oba waye adwuma fine wadwa be adwuma pa ti Bawumia sam ombra no beto aso ma
you know policy be na da wa kuma so pa
free education ba koye ti me nyaji pa
ti no ombra no
beto aso ma ye ono a na ye hwe no Bawumia na na ye ono a obefa mana Bawumia fa wi wa fa
obakoye nim sir number 1
oh number 8
yeah betisem
na masesem
adenti na betisem
oh there be you say omu ye din yeah
adenti ya
say do kuno wako 8 cities
sir
yeah
first nursing
so first do kwa 5 cities 10 cities say 2 cities say wako soro to me
okay you say your mama ba bibia be
na ko no
okay nti oba bibia
ebe ye
okay nti your mama order send oba lot paper no so
edom 8
okay
menya kan sem na ka yenwe so the see na ma boa ye di ko esi amimi bela na mitwa na ye fani se mitiminya bi 1005 alisi anu pe air enam 7000 8000 omanu mo ye den de ehun de ayeko senka ebetimi akan sem na ka yenhwe ade yenhwe
yenti se mu fama hena
oh ene de ene
go for 13 na ballot sheet ni so nti yenti se mu no ebia number 1 number 2 ana say
oh me mom dia na ka yan fama number 9 we number 8
okay no hwana
oh say ne de no we NDC do mama
okay nti wo beto aba ma hena
oh me de beto ama me be but this year beto ama NDC
okay yeah to aso ana yes system adentia
sense man system mo eden mo ade pa nyame na ya yelo so de den de kwato ade kwa untumi nto nti man system mo eden so say system
policy say NPP di gu akwam no anya odewo
oh anya me de me hu hwe free education ne de on de ye apart from that no scan chrome scan ho na nyama no so a say ye so nyama no so no boa den nyama no boa den if say obi anka ye we ye boto abekra so omugu nyama na nyama mu ye den eye mreme he ba nyama mu ade den ti scan chrome ti ya say assistant ye ba
sen na eko number 7
yanko number 8
ye twaso
adenti
fi say free education no me ba akopi me hu say eyampa aka mani fema nka ba na no ka nye say free education pa ka ba na ka fees ametua no say mani fem ko it's almost 30 million I was secondary school ka metua ana face so say odi pa ko no so ba aban mu a not in office a me metimi nkokokoko meeting konko wura ho na nga say pe bibi ma me edina say me advantage me nya ne say aban no be ma free education am so me buy the akobi etimi na meto aso na ne dwuma papa na ode ba no so na timi aboa manya hwe kura na free education enko an esombo ma me
tina ma say na wo ko
tino me de first na meto number 1 na he say me an ebeboa mu kwakoro nye ne sika onye wura office wa me ntimi nko ho etimi de betimi aboa me an free education no ene ye betimi benefit me na aboa me nananum ma chifo nyinara etiye ya me pesa me ye de me toa nyane me toa so no toa so ti me toa ma first one na
who say de ne aboa ye de who say de Ghana yesu ye breo ne ma aboa ye de akomode ye nti wo say ye nsisem na NDC Mahama on betna so no mania manya de na Ghana nya de who say Ghana di ka bebre hu NPP amabuo no mo di Ghana di ka ya bobosuya sa bosuya na na yebo intermediate me pese obi fofomra na ombeboa na ntuatwa ka ne bi na Ghana nyama enkoye kakra maye nyama boa edi so na tete so amaye nsa komodi ye edwuma so uko udiskatu phone so udi manu mami a udi manu ba o school kra 11 ufa 11 intermediate do be ba 11 no kra be ye free kra mepe it John Dramani Mahama NDC on betena so udi misamia no so man say zu za amra
all right everything is in my mind when I get to the box then I'll decide yes really yes okay.
So policy banner edawa kuma so both NPP NPP ni NDC omo policies omo dia well kwema policy ben pa na edawa
oh policy just of infrastructure
so or policies by what say so be adding policies by we say free education 24-hour economy one district one dam and then town hunyina ntinu sha ne pa na
when we talk about the free SHS, I don't think the free even though it has benefits a lot of the parents that normally they don't pay school fees, but when you go inside deeply, it's a lot. They normally pay a lot of fees, which everything that comes free. I don't think the MPP with the free SHS fine. That's their policy. Let's also watch how the MPP will do the 24-hour economy. Then from there, they will take it from there.
Okay, the NDC.
Yes, the NDC.
Okay.
Yes.
So it means over my NDC, right?
Oh, when I get to the boss, I will decide whether I'll vote for MPP or I'll vote for NDC.
Okay. I was here for Saturday. I'm for Agenture and the Koji. Yeah, at the far coming 7th December. About why between, as I say, a PM or Kolebu and Potemono. I'm for so Agenture Modemare no, and I call near could see no tap send and I saw you saying any didn't come to train in at the brew. We did the Abna Osuamofa. Macram, you ever say Shebi or the party.
A very big hello to all our lovely Tap Send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason Tap Send is there, and you would know that right now you are not able to use Tap Send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product which we Tap Send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I will say, though, that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back, and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say, though, is just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions, we are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build Tap Send to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build Tap Send. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
Tap Send. Papa no.